Weekly News Brief. 1. By the first half of 2023, the installed capacity of renewable energy in China has exceeded 1.3 billion kilowatts, historically surpassing coal-fired power. 2. The number of stock-keeping units covered by the Professional Standard Library of Industrial Products on China's 1688 platform exceeded 100 million. Sellers only need to fill in the inventory and price when sending products on the platform, and other information will be intelligently generated while saving 30%–50% of the buyer's purchasing time. 3. China Eastern Airlines has announced the opening of in-flight Wi-Fi services below 3,000 meters, becoming the first airline in China where passengers can use mobile phones to surf the internet throughout the flight. 4. As of now, the number of Harmonio's ecological equipment devices has reached 700 million, and the number of Harmonio's developers has exceeded 2.2 million.